Imagine you press a button and your brain turns into a machine for just 10 minutes. Not an hour, not a whole day, just 10 minutes. This tiny rule turns some of the laziest people I know into productivity engines. And after this video, it can do the same for you. You know that feeling. You stare at the assignment, the email, the workout clothes on the chair. Your eyes are open, your brain is online, but your body feels like a dead battery. You scroll, you watch how to be productive videos, you promise yourself you'll start in 5 minutes. 5 minutes becomes an hour. The sun moves across the sky, your to-do list stays exactly the same. Then comes the guilt, the self-hate, the quiet sentence in your head, I'm just lazy. It feels like everyone else has an engine inside them. You feel like a rusty bike left in the rain. You write big goals in a fancy notebook, but you can't even start one small task without a fight. If this is you, you're not broken. Your engine works. You're just trying to start it the wrong way. Imagine your brain as a giant freight train. Once it's moving, it's unstoppable. But at the start, it takes a massive push to move a single inch. That first inch is where most people quit. The science word for this is activation energy, the energy required to begin any action. Your brain hates spending activation energy. It's expensive. It feels risky. So it uses tricks, distraction, excuses, tiny delays. You open your laptop to work, your brain throws out, let's check messages first. Let's watch one video to get motivated. Let's plan the perfect system before we start. Every delay is your brain dodging activation energy. Here's the twist. Your brain doesn't hate work. It hates uncertain, endless work. Picture two buttons in front of your brain. Button A, do this huge, vague task for who knows how long. Button B, do this tiny, clear action for exactly 10 minutes. Your survival brain sees button A as a threat, a black hole that might suck your whole day. So it stalls, it freezes, it protects you from your own goals. But button B, short, specific, safe. Your brain can survive 10 uncomfortable minutes, so it agrees. Reluctantly, but it agrees. This is the psychology behind the 10-minute rule. We don't fight the brain. We don't scream, just do it at ourselves. We simply lower the activation energy until starting feels almost too easy to refuse. The 10-minute rule, core idea. Here's the rule. You never promise to do the whole task. You only promise this. I will do this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm allowed to stop. No guilt, no shame. Deal? That's it. It's a contract with your own brain. And because it's small and clear, your brain usually says, okay, fine. And once the train is moving, momentum takes over. First, you have to know what you're doing for 10 minutes. Study is not clear. Work on my business is not clear. Get my life together is a boss level dragon. Your brain sees a giant shadow and it runs. So we shrink the dragon. Instead of study biology, 10 minutes, read pages 10 to 15 and highlight keywords. Instead of clean my room, 10 minutes, clear clothes from the floor into one basket. Instead of work on my side project, 10 minutes, sketch 3 logo ideas on paper. Give your brain a tiny, clear target, like a single brick, not